and creamer. Hi guys, so welcome to our channel, Mar and San. It's been a while since I've last uploaded from my channel. My previous contents were mostly out of mukbangs with my cousin and my motorbike, you know, and everything. So it's been a while. It's been like a couple or a few years since I've last uploaded from my channel. So I would really want you all to welcome my partner, Sandro. Hence the name San, and Mar, short for Marvin. And excuse me. So this is an update. Me and San are gonna be uploading videos on YouTube for like, I guess, 1 or 2 per week. You know, just to like have an update and, you know, we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna be mostly speaking in English, and Sandro will be speaking in Bisaya. Since we're here in the Negros Oriental,
the beautiful island of Negros. Hey.
So what would you like to tell our, you know, our viewers about Negros City? I mean Negros Oriental.
So Negros is a small island ba? So different tourist spots also, beautiful beaches and the beautiful like sa Dumaguete guys nga mga delicacies like Sansrivals and the Pantawan, which is
our famous boulevard,
yes,
here in Dumaguete City. And guys, we're just 30 minutes away from the beautiful island of Siquijor.
So we're planning to go there hopefully this coming few months.
Birthday?
Hey,
Birthday ko? May? Yes guys, we've been planning on going, we've been planning on, you know, going around the Visayas islands like Siquijor, Bacolod, Cebu, Bohol. But since, you know, we'll just see how it goes. We're just gonna go with the flow as what they all say. So, ikaw ko, unsa imong ganan sulti sa mga Bisaya nato nga viewers po.
So, what's up mga mananap? Bitaw, just kidding. Binuang lang kaning. Please do support our channel. Kay may mga tang vlogger tanan.
Pangarap dyan niya may mag-vlogger. Pero ako may nag-push dyan. Like, this is not planned at all that me and him are gonna be vloggers. Like, I just said, come on, let's just, you know, diretso na ako kikuha akong phone. I just put my phone in front of us and then I'm just like, come on, let's
tabangan na lang mi sa content like brainstorming.
Yeah, like mukbangs, malay na to, mag-collab with Miss Ivana!
Ay, Ann Curtis!
Hi, boys, ganda!
So, open for collabs and Tito Chichat. Sige ko ka-follow ninyo, Sir Chito.
Sir Sherwin, tell me! Ha?
Dito, so maka-inspired po mga Bisaya nga vlogger and dili lang Bisaya. So, napoy ko tong mga vlogger na like sa akong mga titas outside nga na nasa laing country nga nag-support po to last time sa ako kay by Sunday or mga kuan lang regular days mag-live sad ko sa akong Facebook account. So mo na si auntie nga ako nga pag-vlog na dong dito. So hopefully ma-pursue ma-pursue na ako ang mga char lang bitaw. Try lang. Dili man sa ingon nga para makakita kwarta. So bonus naman ang pay ani sa especially sa YouTube. So ang ako ra is for fun and wala ra, go with the flow.
Because most of the time, if ever we're gonna be like, you know, when it comes to like YouTube, you know, and all, most of the money that we're gonna receive from YouTube, ang akong plano guys is mostly ang
Pangtabang.
content pangtabang sa mga homeless.
Yes.
We're gonna help the homeless. You know, whatever we receive here on YouTube, if ever that's gonna
Outreach.
happen one day,
Outreach program, like sa mga children.
in God's name, like we love to help others more. We love to help others more than ourselves. Kay
mas-
man dyan ang amuatiring nature
Mas-
sa Visayas.
Mas blessed pa ta, so i-bless pa ta ni Lord. Maginana ta. So, tabangan na ilang ta, guys. Kaya natin to. Laban. Laban.
Duterte!
Ay, Daddy Digo. We're supporting you.
Yes.
Wala man mini panig, pero love kay ka na mo.
We really appreciate your
Tunay kang,
sacrifices.
tunay kang bayani.
Mm. Mas tunay ka pang bayani kaysa kay...
No. My father?
No comment na lang. Para walang drama.
Uh-huh.
Pero anyways, guys, like, I really wish you guys can, support us, like, kahit you just have to like, comment, share, subscribe, guys.
Suggest any content or basta makatabang lang sa mua.
Pero mostly ang among content, guys, yun is like maglaag-laag. We're gonna go places and mukbangs, eat some food, eat some exotic foods, try out new things, But at the end of the day, we're just gonna be like, we love to spread positivity.
And love.
Love one another, guys. Love
With
one
love.
another, guys.
Higugma yung, especially yung parents, guys, kay
Once they're still here with us, because we might never know when
Yes.
our God Almighty will, take them back.
basig makuha na sa management dito sa taas. Ka-Sherwin, maguto.
Tell me.
Mga purok.
Yeah,
Ikaw,
pero
binuang lang kana. Spend time to your loved ones also. Kay wala na to, mabala na tong time. Wa man sa nagkuan ta, pero spend time with your family and friends, your loved ones. Happy, GB lang. Para more blessings.
always spread positivity. Kaya ang blessings mo to dyan na sa mga tao nga always positive.
Yes.
Yes. And don't forget, Jud, nga, pirmi mo mag-pray. Pirmi dyan ta mag-pray. Always pray for guidance, for success, and especially, of course, for love. Love, Jud. Okay. Without love, there's no world without love. Anyways. So, yeah, guys, like, share, subscribe to our channel, Mar and San. Hey! Asa naman ang atong card?
Bye, guys.
Sige na, guys. Kay, we're gonna be cooking, pero maybe I'm just gonna start the contents. Tomorrow is Monday na, no?
Yes.
So,
March.
So, I think, ang among...
Last day of March.
So, yes, last day na din. So anyways, guys, so ang among plano, we're gonna make contents Saturday night.
Maybe kay I'm working Monday and
Work man ko
Saturday.
si Sandro. So,
Shout out PSMI.
hey, PSMI. And also, shout out sa Team Skills sa Batingil! Ma'am Tina!
Sir Ariel, thank you sir sa opportunity.
Hey. Anyways, guys, so yeah, maura to. But pwede sa ninyo i-follow si Sandro sa yung Facebook, Sandro Pino 2, and ako si Marvin C. Pool. We're gonna be, we're gonna be more active there, especially Messenger. So pwede sa ninyo you can also follow us, in our Instagram if you like. And yeah, any more you wanna
So
say?
far.
Sige.
But anyways, guys, please do support us. And Bisaya nga koan, mga vloggers.
Mga bisdak.
Hey.
Mga dag. So yun na, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your time, and God bless you all till we meet again, to see each other again, and hopefully siguro makita po ta sa personal. But other than that, thank you so much. This is gonna be a new chapter, a new journey for me and Sandro. So yeah, hit the like button again, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Unsa atong official tawagon natin sa atong mga viewers or fans if ever. Unsa yung tawag natin sila?
Say mayo guys. Do comment in the comment section below.
Pwede, ano mo. Pero,
Naman.
yeah, mag-brainstorm sa amin.
Mag-plan sa
Pero,
amin.
if ever kung unsa man, whatever, if you want to give a suggestion of what we're gonna call our viewers, more like our family na sad, remember? So, murang pamilya na, you're like a family to us na pod. So, yeah, just comment down below, okay? Okay, guys. So, good night. Stay safe.
Yes.
God bless. And
Happy
always
Sunday.
spread positivity. Bye-bye.